Today we're celebrating Eid at Calico. It's a recognition of the end of Ramadan. Our Muslim colleagues have been fasting for a month and we want to bring everybody together to celebrate, share the joy, show gratitude and connect.
And to understand each other's faith, cultures, it's to understand why everybody's so diverse and how your society is built up. And I think one of the most positives is that individuals are open to listening and really understanding, and they can pass that knowledge on to their friends, families and other workplaces as well.
It shows that we care about one another, it shows that we represent diversity and equality, and I think it's really important, all that part of like being inclusive. It just makes everybody feel welcome.
I think it's very important to recognise other people's ethnicities and cultures, to promote equality and diversity.
Diversity brings strength. Diversity brings an ability to be able to meet people's needs better. Diversity brings joy and connections.
We're now a multicultural society, so learning about each other's faiths and the food. It's just been phenomenal today. In fact, you just got me going off to get seconds.
So we've got some chicken biryani, some samosas, some kebabs and some salad. Some traditional Asian food.
Food was absolutely delicious. The team who's organised it really needs appreciating. It's just been lovely.
I think it's really important, we have a diverse group of people at Calico, and I think it's important to celebrate all of them.